Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R 2-door rock slider kit. This kit fits the Can-Am Maverick R 2-door all models. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, best with a friend. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing this factory T27 Torx bolt, just on the front side of the footwell. These are the 3 locations, where we will be fastening the rock slider to the bodywork. Now, open the door, grab the slider, and slide it in place, as you see here. Next, grab a supplied 16mm bolt, and for ease of fitting, use a socket and an extension to slide the bolt into place. Once the bolt is through to the inside, thread on a backing nut. The location is very limited in space, and toward the bottom floorboard. Now, let's move to the front location, and do the same thing, to get the bolt through the bodywork. Again, once through the backside, which is located under the vehicle, shown here, thread on the backing hardware. Next, move to the rear location, and slide the bolt in places with the others. The bolt location is by the swing arm pivot point, at the bottom of the fender well, as you see here. Then, thread on the backing hardware. Now, open the door, and go back to the inside bolt, and using a 17mm wrench, tighten down the hardware. Again, space is limited, so take your time. Next, move again to the front mounting location, and tighten it down. Here is where the backing hardware is located, from the bottom of the vehicle. Now, tighten down the rear location. Next, we need to drill through the bodywork to create these 2 mounting locations. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the bodywork, and install the 2 supplied 5mm Allen bolts. Reach just inside the interior, and thread on the 13mm backing hardware, and tighten down. Finally, back to the front of the slider, where we removed the T27 Torx bolt, we will now replace it with the supplied, 4mm long bolt, and tighten it down. Now, repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle, and your rock sliders are ready for the trails. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R rock slider kit install. These rock sliders are designed to protect your two-seat Can-Am Maverick R from rocks and obstacles while out on the trail. The form-fitted design complements the OEM body lines, prevents hang-ups, and has no adverse effect on ground clearance. The single-piece steel structure secures to the frame with premium alloy steel hardware that attaches to multiple points on the frame. The design features cutout sections that complement the look and have anodized aluminum contrast plates to accent the design. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.